Today we're studying about the histology of human ovary or TS of ovary. You see here, this is the TS of ovary. The ovary is covered by a single layer called the germinal epithelium. This outermost layer is called the germinal epithelium. And just below germinal epithelium, the second layer is called as tunica albuginea. This one is tunica albuginea. In female, ovary is formed by connective tissue or called stroma, then blood vessels and nerve fibers. Ovary divides into peripheral region and central region. The peripheral region is called cortex and the central or middle region is called medulla. Cortex contains three types of follicles. This region which contains three types of follicles, that is primary follicles, secondary follicle, mature follicles, like this way. The primary follicles in the infant's ovary, growing follicles after puberty, and then mature follicles or Graafian follicles. Each primordial follicle consists of single layer of follicular cells which are laying on basement membrane and they surrounds the oocyte. This one is the oocytes. The primordial follicle undergoes further growth and development into primary follicles. It consists of primary oocyte. The other cells divides and redivides to form a stratified epithelium of many layers called a stratum granulosum. The oocyte contains nucleus. You see here, this oocyte contains the nucleus. Growing follicles are in different stages of development. The growing follicle grows like the primary follicle, secondary follicle, and the maturing follicles. The Graafian follicles, mature follicle, or it is also called as the Graafian follicle. The Graafian follicle shows an outer multi-layered membranogranulosa formed of 2 to 3 layers of follicle cells, which is covered by inner layer of theca interna and outer layer is called as theca externa. This one is the outer layer theca externa, inner layer is theca interna. As follicular cavity is called as the antrum, this one is called as antrum, and which is filled with colorless follicular fluid. The oocyte, this one, the oocyte is attached to mature membrane granulosa by group of cells called discus proligerus. This one, discus proligerus, or it is also called as the germ hill. The oocyte is surrounded by white-lined membrane, then zona pellucida and corona radiata. You see here is zona pellucida, corona radiata, these layers. Then the mature follicle is covered by main layers, and this oocyte is formed just before the ovulation. At the middle of the menstrual cycle, at the middle stage of menstrual cycle, the ovulation takes place at 14th day of menstrual cycle, and the ovum is released from the mature follicles called ovulation. After ovulation, the remaining follicular cells, this one, the remaining follicular cells are transformed into yellow body called corpus luteum. This one is corpus luteum. Corpus luteum. If the ovum is not fertilized, the corpus luteum degenerates after about 2 weeks and leaving a white scar called as corpus albicans. That is white body. If ovum is fertilized, the corpus luteum, the corpus luteum secretes a hormone called progesterone and which maintains the pregnancy and which preventing the ovulation. Okay, this is about the histology of the human ovary. Thank you.